Hello and welcome. The recipe that I'll be showing you today is surprisingly simple. 5 ingredients and just 25 minutes baking time will give you beautifully baked chicken tenders. Pop 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise into a large mixing bowl and then add in 1 teaspoonful of Harissa paste and mix those 2 ingredients together. And next we'll take a pound of chicken tenders, that's 500 grams, and drop those into the bowl of Harissa mayonnaise. And we're going to give everything a good mix now, and to make sure all of that meat is coated. And the next step is to let the chicken marinate in the fridge for an hour or 2. But if you don't have the time and you want to bake straight away, you can go on to the next step, and that is to coat the chicken with breadcrumbs. And before we do that, set your oven on to preheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Next, spread around 2 cups of breadcrumbs onto a flat plate. And then, using a pair of tongs, lift the chicken tenders and then begin coating each piece. And then lastly, lay the breadcrumb chicken onto a tray and it's ready to bake. Chicken tenders take around 25 minutes to bake fully, and to check if they're cooked you can use a meat thermometer. So the internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius when it's fully cooked. The result is beautifully moist chicken tenders. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for watching.